Hey guys, doing today? My name is Tyler with minicfo.io, here to do a quick tutorial for you guys. So I just want to show our new feature, how you're able to import your old transaction data into the system so you can get easily started into the program. So here I have an example Excel spreadsheet. Now you don't need as much information that's on here as long as you keep it to date, category, and amount. You'll be able to import it directly into the system. Descriptions definitely help, especially with the AI Insights tab. But you do not have to have it, especially importing old information. When you have new information coming in, you can be more descriptive, or you can choose not to be. But here we go. We have an example Excel spreadsheet. I've kept it very simple, but the system will automatically pick up any category that you add into the Excel spreadsheet. So if you have gas expense, payroll, sales revenue, insurance, operations, any category you have specifically to your industry and your business, this import function will automatically add it as categories when you add new transactions. So here we're going to import this transaction data, and as you can see, make sure everything looks correct. It will import all positive numbers as income and all negative numbers as expenses. So here we can see 38,950 in income, 31,198 in expenses. Let's go ahead and import that. And it will tell you any new categories that were added into the system for income or expenses. One new category created. So now the new category should be gas expense, I believe I added. Was it gas expense? Oh, gas expense. Did I put it as an income? Did I make a mistake in my Excel spreadsheet? Oh, I by mistake I put gas expenses and income on my Excel spreadsheet. Yep, there we go. But as you can see, it was added as a new category into the system. So now our gas expense is an income. So we can add for $150 and you can quickly add it into the system. And then you will be able to do this on your mobile device as well. Import all your stuff from the computer. And then when you're on the go, from your car, from your job site, anywhere, you can plug in transaction as you go quickly from your phone. And now everything will be read in the AI Insights. So what is my average payroll per month? Now it will read all that transaction data and it will give you a response based off of this. Whole payroll 28,000. That makes sense. So your payroll typically runs between 2,300 and 2,400 a month on average. You see it's quickly added into the system and it will fill out your dashboard. So that was a quick tutorial for you. Now I do recommend you try to format your Excel spreadsheet in this way. If you have maybe a monthly tab that you say January and this is all your totals, what you can simply do is do 115.26. This was my gas expense for January. And then you could put the total for that. Or here, sorry, I gotta put it as a negative. You can put the total for that. And then you had 115.26, your total material was, say, $10,000. If you have your Excel spreadsheet filled out that way, I would just follow this model to get it into the system, so at least it's reading it on a monthly basis. So anyway, that's been a quick tutorial for minicfo.io. I appreciate all new customers coming in, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at tyler@minicfo.io. You can also find me on Twitter at minicfo.io and on Instagram at minicfo.io. Answer all DMs and all emails. Thank you.